Okay, guys, so we have today, well, what do we have here, Carlitos?
I thought these are screws. What's up with the packaging?
These are the worst reviewed bearings on all of Amazon. You know what's the first thing I noticed about them?
What?
That I thought was actually a really good point. I think I might write a review and make it good.
What?
Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bearings. You get an extra 2 bearings. That's 2 coming for free.
Oh, do they spin?
The other thing I noticed is that they're really sticky. Yeah, there you go. That's your thumbnail. So let's just put these bad boys in here.
Oh, that doesn't even sound satisfying.
So,
I'm pretty sure the reviews talk about them not fitting.
no, really?
Yeah.
Here, you try and put it in while I check out the reviews.
Oh, dude.
That worked.
Problem, solution.
Let's see what the reviews have to say about this item. I have ordered hundreds of bearings in the last couple of months for making fidget spinners.
Yes.
These were the, in all caps, worst. Inconsistent, but from bad to terrible, very poor spin.
Yeah, Carlos, show us that spin. That's the worst I've ever seen.
That's authentic as heck, dude.
I can only imagine. You're like, yeah, I need some good bearings for fidget spinner. Oh, here's one. This review is from Super Dad. They suck worse than a Dyson, and that never stops sucking. Jimmy Jam does not free spin very well. He still gave it 2 stars out of 5 though. These could not possibly be new. They're dingy and they don't spin well. 1 star. Steven.
He said dingy.
I didn't see anybody say they don't fit though.
Might have made that up.
25% 2 stars, 75% 1 star.
So we found the worst of the worst here.
Yeah. If you're looking for bearings for spinners, keep looking. There's a lot of like really upset fidget spinner makers. Okay, let's see here. First try, scariest thing ever, drop in. It's kind of like dropping in with skater trainers on. Glass skateboard, here we go.
Hear that sound?
You hear that? I dropped in and rolled, and it started making this sound like this. And then it went away after a minute.
I think it might be a certain amount of speed.
Drop in and go fast, and let's see if we can get that
Try
sound.
Try the forefoot.
So slow. So slow, dude. Yeah, dude, it's hard. You have to really pump to get speed on this thing.
I want that weird sound to come back, because that was just probably one of the weirdest things I've ever seen occur on any Amazon review video.
Let's have this guy have at it. He's a mini ramp master.
Go ahead, give it a wing. Bearings are not as described, says Beverly, who gave it 1 star. Product is not new, does not spin, does not look like the image posted. It's true. The image posted has like, they're not real actual skateboard bearings, but what we got actually did work in a skateboard. Look at that, look at that. Look at that picture.
Nice.
Double thing on there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what
Yeah, what are you waiting for, man?
do you want to do? Kickflip off?
Oh yeah, that's what I want.
Snipe. How he landed that was, I think they call, that's like a real trick. It's called like the Yoshi or something.
Hi, Fed here.
Carlos wins. Wow, Fetty. Something's wrong with the bearings. Finally a good kickflip off.
There we go.
You want to do some mini ramp tricks while I check out some more reviews, Kelly?
Sure.
Pay particular attention to the bearings. See if you actually notice a difference.
From Kenneth, he gave it 2 stars. It's a verified purchase, and he says OD if the bearings varying 0.010. Help me understand this, Kelly. I mean, you're like you're not a poser like me. You're like a long time like real skateboarder. So what does this mean? OD if the bearings varying 0.010.
Overdosing bearings.
Clearly, Fetty's been learning the basics of mini ramps using Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 7, which is released on Saturday, January 20th. Well done, Fettel and Potter. Well
9
done.
days away from my birthday.
Well played.
Oh, I forget these bearings.
I thought of an idea for a special game of skate we could play. I call out the trick that you guys have to do.
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, this one's real good. No, this is the title of it, because you cannot, the worst review that you can give on Amazon is 1 star. So the name of the person is 0 stars, and of course they gave it 1 star because that's as low as it can go. Sent a picture of it with a verified purchase. These are horrible. Not only do they just look dirty and used, they don't even spin with extra lubrication. Amazon delivery lost my package, found it, lost it again, and then it was miraculously delivered to my door a week late, and after 2 chats with customer service, and then these show up. Thank God I was refunded the cost, because I can't see even paying $10. Save yourself the money. These are crap. They look like crap. They work like crap. Just don't buy them. I mean, Carlos just did probably some of the hardest mini ramp tricks I've ever seen anybody do, ever. So, I mean, that pretty much proves that they do more or less work, right?
Doesn't mean I enjoyed it.
I don't know. Go ahead, Faye. Let me get in this video. I haven't skateboarded at all.
New video title. Fetty nearly goes to the hospital.
The toenail finally came off, so I can't run.
Are the bearings making it harder for you to skate it?
Truthfully, no. I take it back. Yes.
Do you think the bearings affect your skating?
Big time, dude. You know, like you want to go somewhere and like parents put a kid on a leash? I feel like I can't run away from my parent right now.
Yeah, wow. Fetty, do you feel like the bearings are messing you up at all?
No.
You don't feel leashed to your mama?
Wow. I figured it out. I figured it out. Here's what he says. Rolling bearings are used in a range of applications, from agricultural machinery to conveying equipment, robotics, dental equipment, elevators, rolling mills, ship rudder shafts, and aggregate crushers, among others. So these are
Fidget
just...
spinners. But okay,
Well,
here's the thing.
look.
We're trying them for skateboarding.
Yeah.
Imagine if you're trying it for dental and agricultural purposes
Yeah,
and they
we
suck.
got the dental equipment ones. That's fine.
But
It
they
just-
have horrible reviews. Like, I just feel like that's really scary.
No, these ones are for an elevator, not for skateboarding.
Okay, that's even worse. It's like, I'm sorry, your elevator collapsed into flames. We bought the cheap Amazon bearings for $7.
Clearly the bearings.
I hope that there's some elevator man out there who's watching this who goes, you know what? I'm not going to get those bearings anymore. So we're going to do a game of skates, but I'm going to call out the tricks that they have to set. Rochambeau.
I feel like you just planned that whole thing and plotted against me. Betty's first. Don't mind the kids in the background. They're doing a lesson to learn how to skateboard. You guys should learn how to skateboard too.
Okay, first trick for Fetty. Troy, you can help me with this, but tray flip.
Tray flip? I thought you were gonna pick tricks that were like hard for him to do.
That was weird. That's good. Fakey tray flip. Heel flip.
See? I knew you were gonna. I had to pee so bad.
Kelly, nollie heel flip.
Oh, I like this game.
Kick flip.
These bearings are just horrible, man.
Nice. What the hell? For Carlos, let's do a switch flip. Half cab heel. Fakey tray flip. What just happened there? Hard flip. Hi.
Hey.
Can you tray flip the Braille drop?
Oh no. Later.
Later?
Yeah,
Okay.
Are you watching Skateboarding Made Simple?
Yeah.
Good.
Volume 7, mini ramp tricks. It's coming out.
There you go.
So the next time, tray flip the
Yeah,
Braille
next
drop, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Aaron's turn. Double flip. Hard flip. Nollie heel flip. I'm making you bust out your defensive tricks on offense. Nollie heel.
I can't.
Count that. Varial kickflip.
Aerial kickflip?
That was, man. Oh, okay. I think that's the reason.
That's how crappy the bearings are. The nut doesn't even want to hold on to the wheel.
Nollie flip. Okay, let's go with something tough for you. Fakey varial kickflip. Ghetto bird.
Wow.
Varial kickflip for Aaron.
Varial kickflip?
If Betty counts it, I count it. Nightmare flip.
At least we know Kelly's out.
Regular heel flip.
Oh, that's mad.
That counts. Kickflip backside shifty. Switch tray flip.
Switch tray.
Frontside big spin. Fakey varial flip.
Fakey burial flip.
Switch frontside flip. One more. One more.
Four of those were
Get
good.
it clean, baby. Carlos, do a nollie hard flip. Switch frontside big spin. All right, Aaron, switch frontside flip.
I just did switch frontside flip 4 times. You're gonna call it again?
All right, Carlos, frontside flip.
100%. 2 tries, Fetty. You got this.
I don't understand that trick.
Yeah.
Switch varial flip. Switch frontside flip. Okay, bubble, regular bubble flip. Okay, Aaron, varial flip revert. No, that's not the trick. The trick was varial flip revert. All right, Carlos, varial flip revert. Switch tray flip. One more try. Now switch tray. Yeah, well, that was the trick.
Oh, I thought it was a joke.
Hey, let's all eat on the 5 real quick.
Well, these are the worst reviewed bearings on Amazon. The link will be in the description below, but really what you guys should click is the Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 7, which is released January 20th. This video probably will go up before then. So when the video comes out, if you guys want to learn the basic mini ramp tricks, get the video. You guys will like it, you love it, you want some more of it. We also have the link down there for the free Skateboarding Made Simple DVD, so check it out. When you get that, you just pay for the shipping, and there's tons of other cool offers. 2018 is the year of Learn to Skateboard.
Sounds good, man.
Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.